this video, I am going to show you how to reset your Telegram password. 1. Start by launching the Telegram app on your mobile device. 2. Tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of the screen. 3. From the menu that appears, find and select Settings option. Within the Settings menu, look for Privacy and Security and tap on it. In the Privacy and Security section, scroll down to the Security area. Find and tap the Passcode lock or Passcode option. Choose the Change Passcode option and you will be prompted to enter a new one. Enter your new passcode when prompted and confirm it by entering it again. By following these steps, you will successfully reset your Telegram passcode, enhancing the security of your account. But remember, the passcode is a local security feature and not the same as your Telegram account password used for logging in from new devices. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.